Hello students. I'm glad to see you again. Our lesson on algebraic processes continues. But before we move ahead, let us do a recap of our previous lesson. In our last lesson, we solved some problems using the substitution method. In today's lesson, we shall discuss variation. Come with me, let's learn together. Variation. Variation involves the relationship between two or more variables, where a change in one variable results in a definite change in the other. There are three main types of variation, namely, direct variation, inverse variation, and joint variation. In this lesson, we shall focus on direct variation. Direct variation. In direct variation, when one variable increases, the other also increases proportionally. The general formula for a direct variation equation is written as y varies directly as x. This simply means y is equal to kx, where k is a constant. Let us see an example. Y varies directly as x. And when y equals 8, x equals 2. Find y when x equals 10. Solution. To solve this, we first write our equation. Y varies directly as x. This means y equals kx, where k is a constant. Next, we substitute our values for x and y. So, this will become 8 equals k multiplied by 2. To solve for k, we simply divide both sides by 2. 2 divides 8 gives us 4. And 2 divides 2k gives us k. Therefore, k equals 4. Now, to find y, when x equals 10, we simply substitute known values of x and k in the original equation. So, y equals 4 times 10. Therefore, y equals 40. Let us solve another one. Example 2. Solve the following. Solution. Y varies directly as x, meaning y equals kx, where k is a constant. Substituting our values for x and y, we have 24 equals k times 6. Solving for k, we divide both sides by 6. 24 divided by 6 gives us 4. And 6k divided by 6 gives us k. So, k equals 4. Now, to find y, when x equals 15. We simply substitute known values of x and k in the original equation. So, y equals 4 times 15. Therefore, y equals 60. That's brilliant. Let us solve yet another one. Example 3. If p equals 9, when q equals minus 3. Find q, when p equals 21. Solution. P varies directly as q, meaning p equals kq, with k being the constant. Substituting our values for p and q, we have 9 equals minus 3k. Solving for k, we divide both sides by minus 3. 9 divided by minus 3 gives us minus 3. And minus 3k divided by minus 3 gives us k. So, minus 3 equals k. Now, to find q, when p equals 21. We substitute known values of p and k in the original equation. So, 21 equals minus 3q. Solving for q, we divide both sides by minus 3. Minus 3 goes into minus 3q, leaving us with q. And minus 3 goes into 21 to give minus 7. Therefore, q equals minus 7. That's amazing. Let us now do some practice. Assignment. Solve the following in your workbook. Ensure you attempt the questions. And always try again if you don't get it right the first time. In conclusion, we discussed variation. We also learned how to solve problems involving direct variation. In our next lesson, we shall solve problems involving inverse variation. Stay diligent till I see you in the next lesson. Always remember, learning is a journey. Thanks, and bye for now.